Question 3. Find the surface area of the following prisms. So on to part 3 now. Now this is a cylinder, okay? And here we're going to make the assumption that the cylinder is covered. Okay, so it's covered there on the top and on the bottom. All right, so it's not an open cylinder, it's got covers. So the surface area formula is 2 times pi times r times h plus 2 times pi times r squared. All right, so let's figure this one. So here we've got our radius. There's our radius, and here's our height. Okay, so straight away we can just substitute the surface area equals 2 times pi times 3.2 times 9 plus 2 times pi times r squared, which is 3.2 squared. The surface area equals, and you can type that straight in to your calculator, and what you'll get is this. So 2 times pi times 3.2 times 9 plus 2 times pi times 3.2 squared. And that should give you this 245.295 square centimeters to 3 decimal places. Okay. All right, next one. We've got this shape here. Now this is a tricky one. So what we're going to do is take away, there's a base here. There was a base. We're going to take that away from this formula. So the surface area of just this whole cylinder, okay, just this whole cylinder is this. All right, so it doesn't have a base anymore. It's going to be surface area equals 2 times pi times h times r plus pi r squared. Okay, not 2 pi r squared anymore because there's no base here. All right, let's figure out that. The surface area of this cylinder, it's going to be 2 times pi times, now our height here is going to be, if that's 5 and that whole thing's 9, then what this is going to be 9 take 5, which gives us 4. So from there to there is 4. Okay, and our radius. All right, so from here to here, from there to there is 3. Sorry, from there to there, all of that is 3. So our radius is going to be half that. Our radius here is just going to be half of that. Okay, so what this is, remember, that's your radius, but this is also your radius too. Your radius runs from right in the middle to the edge. So all those 3 lengths are the same. Okay, so we look and we can see that if that whole thing's 3, this bit is 1.5. Okay, half of it's 1.5. So if that's 1.5, then this other half is 1.5. And that means this bit there is also 1.5. So our radius is 1.5. So our height is 4 times 1.5 plus pi times 1.5 squared. So the surface area of the cylinder is going to be this. 2 times 44.77 square centimeters. Okay, now the rectangular prism. All right, the rectangular prism. So we've got this bit here. I'm going to call this area 1. Okay, and there's another bit on the other side. Okay, so on the other side here, on the back of it, we can't see it, but on the back there, around there, there's another bit. So it's going to be 5 times 3, because the area is length times width. The area is length times width. So it's 5 times 3 times 2. So 5 3s are 15, times 2 is 30. 30 square centimeters. Next, we've got area 2. This bit here. Okay, and this bit here is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 as well. Okay, so we're going to have that's area 1. Previous bit was area 1. Now we're doing area 2. Area 2 is also going to be 3 times 5. That's 3 times 5 times 2, which is 30 square centimeters, because there's one at the front and one at the back. Now the final bit, this is where it becomes tricky. So on the bottom, we've got here a 3 by 3 square. Okay, on the bottom of this shape, there's a 3 by 3 square. Okay, so I'm going to call that area 3 on the bottom is area 3 equals 3 times 3, which is 9 square centimeters. Now, this top bit was, before the cylinder got there, it was a neat looking shape like this. So there's the top of this is the, looking from above, the top of the rectangular prism. It's 3 by 3, okay? But what's happened here is this cylinder is sitting on top, okay? Sitting on top like this. All right, and this cylinder has let me try and fix that again. All right, this cylinder there has a radius of 1.5. Okay, a radius of 1.5, and what we need to figure out is what this area is, this bit showing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate, so the area of the whole square We figured that out before. It's 9. Okay, so the area of the square is 9 square centimeters. So the area of the circle, well, that's just pi times r squared, which is this. Area of the circle equals pi times 1.5 squared. Area of the circle equals which gives us 7.069 square centimeters. So this area, this green area, is going to be this. The area of the leftover, the green bit, is going to be 9 take 7.069, which gives us 9 take away 7.069, which leaves us with 1.931 square centimeters. Okay, so now I need to add up all these bits. So I'm showing you what I need to add up now. I need to add the surface area of this cylinder. Okay, the surface area of this cylinder. So that is 44.77. Then area 1. Area 1 was this front bit here, this bit there, and at the back there. Okay, so that's 30.00, and area 2, which was this bit here and the back there, which was also 30. And then I've got area 3 on the bottom, which was 9. Okay, and the final bit, this bit here, okay, which is 1.931. So we're going to have that's 1 there, 7, 8, 9, 10, put down a 0, carry a 1, 7, 8. 8 plus 9 is 17, down to 7, carry the 1. We've got, that's 10, 15, put down the 5, carry the 1. And we've got 6 plus 5 is 11. So there's our total surface area. Okay, so our total surface area for this shape is 115.7. The surface area equals 115.7 square centimeters.